In this video, I will discuss how can we use the reference of Wikipedia in our research paper. As we all know that at the time of writing the research paper, the citation of most genuine paper or the citation of first paper of the concerned topic is very necessary for the purpose of getting your paper published in a renowned journal. That is the reason why we are looking for the most cited paper and why we are looking for the first paper in that particular topic or in that particular field to cite in our article or to cite in our research. In this video, I will discuss how can we use the Wikipedia to make citation in your research article. Generally, all, all the elders who are already involved in the research work, they told us that Wikipedia is not a genuine source to cite in your research paper or document, but the citation of Wikipedia is actually very useful to make a citation in your research paper. Just I am saying, suppose I am writing a paper on a bibliometric analysis. There is a two part in bibliometric analysis: descriptive analysis and main topic of bibliometric analysis, further bifurcated into many parts like bibliometric coupling, co-citation analysis. So, suppose I am just writing the bibliometric coupling part of my paper, and I just want to know who is the first person given that concept of bibliometric coupling, because that paper is very necessary for me to cite in my research work. Suppose here I am going to type bibliometric coupling Wikipedia. As you see, here is a Wikipedia of bibliographic coupling. As you see, here is the first line. Bibliographic coupling, like a co-citation coupling, is a similar measures that use the citation analysis to establish a similarity relationship between the documents. And this statement is cited at document placed in the reference list number one. So go to the reference list. What is the document? As you see, the document in the name of the Kessler. And as we all know, Kessler is the first person who given the concept of bibliometric coupling. Here we found the first paper of bibliographic coupling or bibliometric coupling or bibliographic coupling, as you want to say. Suppose I just want to know who gives the concept of co-citation analysis, or what is the first paper of co-citation analysis, or which is the first paper of co-citation analysis. So I'm typing co-citation analysis Wikipedia. Here is the co-citation analysis Wikipedia. The first line of the Wikipedia is taken from a paper cited here. As you see, I think it is a Henry Small. And if you go into the detailed analysis of the co-citation analysis, who give the co-citation analysis concept, you can easily find that Henry Small is the person who gives the concept of co-citation analysis. Same. Suppose I am working on panel data, and I just want to apply uh, normality test, just like JARQ Bera test. JARQ Bera test, and I just want to cite a paper of a person who gives the concept of JARQ Bera test. I just open a JARQ Bera test Wikipedia. Here, I will definitely find the meaning of JARQ Bera test and the name of the person who gives the concept of JARQ Bera. As you see, the analysis of JB test in MATLAB. These are the important references that provide the base for making a citation to support the statement that I have tested my stationarity or my normality of data through the jar cubera test. There is a way that how can we use the Wikipedia for making the most genuine citation in our research work. There is another software, Publish and Paris, which also help us to write our research work. Basically, suppose this software is especially help us to write the literature review section. Suppose I'm writing I'm writing a paper on the causal model in which I just want to define the movement in price of share by many different variables. Suppose I have a variable, I have five variable: dividend on share, dividend per share, and return on equity, PE ratio, price volatility, inflation rate. There are many variables that have impact on the share price, and I just want to write a literature review section of that paper. Then I need a different type of a paper which elaborates the concept of uh, analysis or prediction of share price. So I just need to uh, go with the search box, and this search box provide us the various paper in our concerned topic as per our requirement. That means the Paris and Publish is really help to write the literature review section. In the upcoming video, I will show you how sequence wise I will show you how the Publish and Paris is really help to write the literature review section of our paper. But here I just want to elaborate some basic features of the Publish and Paris. There is a various interface. You can search the paper from the Google Scholar. You can also search the paper from Scopus database by using this Paris and Publish software. But for using the Scopus database, we have to enter a key, and that key is given at the official portal of Scopus. If your institution or you have a subscription of Scopus database, you can easily get the key which are required to put it here for using this interface, the Scopus interface in Publish and Paris software. The basic question: why we are searching here? Why we are not searching on Scopus database? Scopus, as you see, the Google have very good algorithm function to search any document. If you write just uh, if you just write a PLS, Google itself find the PLS actual meaning of PLS. If you write any wrong word on the Google, it Google can itself easily find the right word and right search for your finding. But Scopus database has not such a algorithm. So I suggest all of you, instead of searching on Google database, use this Perish and Publish software for searching the document. It will provide more authentic and more quantitative result to your search. Thank you.